Guys, ito guys, ano to cherry blossom. Ayan o. Nag-ano pa lang. Son, ano na siya. Mag-bloom na siya. Ganda siguro dito.
This is white.
That's white.
At hello mga kabishi, ayan, pumunta kami ng asawa ko sa, I think castle ata to. Ayan, tingnan natin kung anong meron dyan mga kabishi.
Ayan, bumibili ng ticket asawa ko. Ito yung ticket nila. So maganda dito pag ano, cherry blossom season. Ayan, ang ganda dito. Ayan, entry kami dito. Dito ang entry. Ito, cherry blossom. Ang ganda dito pag ano, pag cherry season talaga. Ay.
Make it smaller, smaller, smaller.
So, ayan mga bishi, dito na tayo sa loob. At ang mga nakikita natin dito is mga puro cherry trees na nasa paso at wala pang bulaklak.
Malapit na siyang ano.
See, they're starting because they're in here, they're warmer.
Malapit na siya mamulaklak.
Oh, look at that. Slow rolling branch.
So, ayan mga bishi, kung makikita natin, no, puro mga cherry trees.
These are bonsai trees. Some of these are probably hundreds of years old.
Oh.
Oh, look at that one. How they bent it up and down.
Which one?
That one right there.
This
Look
one?
at the branch, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. It's gonna be
So beautiful.
how many years, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this tree. It looks like really old tree.
Yeah, you can see the middle is rotted away. So the only
But look.
it's got a lot of moss on it. And come up before we go to the Philippines. Make a day trip. See, it's the wind blowing the wooden shutters.
My goodness, yung wind. Grabe. Oh, wow.
Look at the wood framing. The ceiling.
Yep.
It's like the original style. Well, here you go, baby.
What? Oh.
There's one blossom.
Oh, look, it's a white blossom.
Oh, here's some
Cherry blossom.
Look at this side.
What is it? Oh. This one. Here you go. They're blooming.
So, ayan mga bishi, meron ding bulaklak na, tingnan nyo, may mga bulaklak na rin yung iba. Siguro, ang ganda ng loob na ito, kung lahat itong trees na to is namumulaklak siya. Ang ganda siguro. Siguro maganda pumunta dito during Sakura season.
They're all. Yeah.
That's it.
That's it. They're all cherry blossom.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching mga bishi, and don't forget to like or heart and follow. And salamat sa suporta.
Yeah, you
See
can
you
buy
next
also.
video. Bye!